Hi. You know, a lot is said about changeover times when you go into a combination machine, so I thought I'd do this little video here to show you exactly what it takes in terms of real time to go from you know, plain machine to joiner, and then from joiner to planer, and then back again. I'm gonna shut up now and just let it happen. Bad, huh? Try doing that in a small shop with a separate joiner on wheels, huh? Where you got to pull it out and set it up. Bet you it takes a hell of a lot longer than that. Now, coming up here, you can see my my little kind of fixes to this big joiner fence. I put a handle on it, and I also put a piece of Velcro on that back guard, which you can see me using here in a second. And it just sort of keeps it from flopping around as I move the fence. Now over here you can see my little peg wall next to the machine for all my combo accessories. About that time, huh? And you can see I could still use the saw, you know, a little bit if I needed to do a rip or you know, simple cross cut there with within reason. Even with the powered movements, though, I don't think it's that much different if you got a crank. At least with a crank I can pretend to go faster. I don't know about you, but that's some good times. Thanks for watching.